G'day guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be making this simple little friction folding knife. Hope you enjoy. So first step, take your favourite purple marker and trace out the design onto your desired blade material. Doesn't have to be accurate, just the basic shape. You can finalize it later. Actually, I want to add some extra length, so easy as drawing on a little bit more of a box. Now time to cut it out. So now you got the basic shape cut out. We're going to do some profile grinding with the angle grinder. There you have it guys, a refined blade. And guys, always remember to take the sharp burrs off where you've cut and ground, because they're sharp as. Speaking from experience. So guys, I'm now going to put the blade in for annealing. Basically heat it up to red hot. Let it cool down. I'll let it cool down in the forge, but you can pull it out if you don't mind it taking forever. Makes it easier for the next couple of steps. And guys, just turn the forge off, so let the forge and the blade cool down fully before I'll do anything else with it. Okay guys, starting on the handle, I'm going to use the same purple marker as doing the blade. Make sure you flip it over, because otherwise you'll tilt the same side, which I did before on a different project and it was interesting. Now just cut them out with a saw. So I've gone ahead and drawn out the little piece that will go in between the two handle scales. Now it's time to cut this out. So for the final shaping of these handle scales, I'm going to be using a wire wheel. Come on, there you go. And there we go, guys. Two sides are roughed out. So I have to wait for the blade for the next step, but yeah, that's done. Okay guys, it's been cooling down. Now, it's probably still slightly too warm, but yeah, just a bit. Have to cool it down somewhat, but that is the fully annealed blade. And there you go. In this one. Nice little folding knife blade, ready for the next couple of steps. Okay, so I'm now going to mark the holes for the thing, and I'm going to put them in the center of this scale, so wherever that ends up being on here is where it ends up. Just line it up. While I'm doing this, I'm just going to eyeball it by judging the distance here, finding the center. It's almost in the center, but and then I'm going to mark roughly. And there you go. Time to drill it out. Okay, so I lied. First of all, you'll want to center punch where the hole needs to go. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now it's time to drill. So I'm going to drill the hole now. And I don't have a vise for my drill press, so I'm going to be holding it in a pair of vice grips, because holding in your fingers does not go very well. Also, this is going to sound horrific, so I apologize. And there you go, one hole. Another thing that I do is I slightly countersink it with a bigger drill bit, just so it doesn't create any stress rises for heat treat and stuff. See, not much at all. Just enough so it's not right angles. The way I mark the holes in the handle scales, I line it up where I would like it. Then I'm going to be using a broken drill bit. Essentially, just going to start drilling a little hole. There you go. So I got a drill. Okay, now I'm just going to, using the same size drill bit as the main hole in the blade, I'm going to drill out the little hole in the handle. And now let's line up the next scale. Okay guys, so the way I'm going to line up the holes in this one and this one is I cut the scales where this is the flat side of the wood, so I didn't cut this at all. So I'm going to push it down on this so they line up. Try and make it line up height wise as well. Now I'm just going to hold it and drill the holes exactly the same way as before. There you go, perfectly lined up holes. Okay guys, so I've marked out the holes in the little spacer. Now I'm going to try to drill them out without breaking anything. There we go, didn't break it. Forgot to record, but you know, I got 2 perfectly lined up holes. And just to help with everything not move, I put a pin through this main hole here. Okay, so guys, here's the first rough fit up. Found a broken drill bit the same size, so I'll be using that as the pin. Opens nicely, and down the bottom I'm going to be making some quite a little bit longer wooden pins because I think it'll look nice. Yeah, here's the first dry fit up. So making the dowels is kind of annoying, so I won't record that, but so yeah, make some new dowels, glue it up, and then we'll finish working on the blade. Gonna be using Gorilla Glue to glue the handle scales together. Good. Probably a bit much, but oh well. Oh, look at these. These are around the wrong way. Just love putting things around the wrong way. There you go, just leave that sit till tomorrow. Now it's time to finish off the blade. Rough forged bevel. Okay, heat treat number 4. I hope that this one actually works. 1, 2. Yay! Okay, so had to anneal the blade, had a warp, Kind of happy about that because I decided that I wanted to grind a bit more of a higher bevel on it. It's quite a obtuse angle. I started working on the handle as well. Did a bit of rough shaping on the back, top and bottom. Yeah, so let's move back to grinding some more bevel in. There you go, guys. Oop, if it'll focus. Anyway, nice new, slightly more acute bevel. That looks like a mighty fine hard blade. Okay, now guys, I'm going to start working more on the handle. There you go, guys. Nice rough shaped handle. Now I'm just gonna clean off the hardened blade with a wire wheel. And there we go. Nice and clean. So just off camera there, I hollowed out a little bit in the back for this little tab to sit into. Now I'm tempering the blade in my cooling down forge. Works pretty good. So the blade's now done tempering. It's nice and it's got a nice straw gold colour. And yeah, we're actually nearly finished, so keep watching. So guys, this will be the final fit up before peening on the pivot rivet. It's way easier than last time I tried to peen on, but anyway. So here we go. Now it's going to peen over the rivets. And it's finished. Now I'm gonna peen on the rivets. So the rivet is slightly too long, so I'll need to chop some of it off, but I'll be right back. And just like that, it's short. Let's keep peening. That was my finger. And there we go. Finish rivet. Nice. Can kind of slide out, but not really. And there you go. Nice little folding knife. And here we have it, guys, the final folded, and there we have it, guys, the final simple folding knife, which I made the most complicated way possible. But anyway, yeah, nice action, doesn't fold shut. I'm really happy with this, guys. And yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. I'll have links to Instagram and Patreon in the description. But yeah, thanks for watching. God bless.